Alright, so we're going to do an unboxing of the Pokemon Center Elite Trainer Box Plus. Now, for those of you that don't know, I'm doing an unboxing video for my 4-year-old nephew, who has recently gotten into Pokemon over the course probably of the last year, a lot more so than he was before, because his father's an absolute legend. So here we have the player's guide to the trading card game. Since this is mostly for him, if I happen to draw one of the top 10 rares cards in this pack, for anyone who comments, likes on the video, not only will I be buying my nephew at least one booster pack, I'll also buy any random viewer who comments, likes the video, also a booster pack, and I'll just reach out and get that sent over to you. So, first, we have a Mewtwo deck box, which I think these hold 60 cards, but forgive me because I'm not the most informed whenever it comes to this space. I'm just actually getting into this, and clearly I'm not good at holding things on camera either. So, let's get this open. I actually just bought a really cool, like, 900 sleeve holder for cards, so I'll probably actually wind up just using this because I don't actually play, I just want to collect. So I'll probably just use this for the extra stuff that I don't actually put in the folder, and the folder is probably going to be more for the more rare stuff. But this deck box is pretty cool, but I'm also biased because I absolutely love Mewtwo. So let's keep getting into it here. I don't know how any of this stuff opens, so this will be much better the next time we go around because I'll have somewhat of an idea of what I'm doing. Oh, these are cool. Little medallions. A little something I don't understand because I'm not up on the trading card game rules. I'm just here for the actual cards themselves. But these dice are actually pretty cool. I like this. I like this a lot. I also need to figure out how the rules for the trading card game work because this was definitely not part of it in like the first or second generation when I actually like played this stuff and knew what was going on. Okay, so aside from that, we have some Mewtwo card collectors or card sleeves, which these are awesome. These are really awesome. So here, I'll pull one out just so you guys can actually see what these look like, so you can see if you'd want one for yourself too. So there you go. Be able to collect your cards and sport Mewtwo, my guy. All right. So getting a little bit closer into the actual cards themselves. Oh, here, I'll hold off on that though. That is a really cool holo art there. I don't even know what these are for, to be honest with you. But they're awesome regardless. I've never bought an Elite Trainer box, so this is all new stuff to me. I'm going to have to figure out what all this stuff is actually used for. But it's pretty awesome. Here's a redeem card. Whatever. So, there's the foil art. Let me see, are we down to all just the cards now? Okay, so you get a deck. I'm not going to go into that. I'm going to focus on the booster packs right now. Okay, so let's get into this. First, let's see that foil art card because this is awesome. So you get a foil art card featuring Mewtwo with this, and it's a Mewtwo V holographic, and this thing's awesome. I know promo cards like come with the stuff, so like they're not super rare and not super valuable, but that doesn't mean that they don't look awesome. And like I said, I'm a huge Mewtwo fan, so I think this is pretty great. Alright, now for the part my 4-year-old nephew actually cares about, which is the actual cards themselves. I'll probably just have to edit out the rest of this before I even show him the actual unboxing. He's probably just yelling, "Uncle Sean, please get to opening the cards." So, let's move this out of the way so we can see what we actually got going on here. So I'm also still figuring out how the rarities work, so everyone's just going to have to work with me. If I don't know that something's worth getting excited about right off the bat, and I am already hyped. So for anyone that doesn't know, I'm a huge Pokemon fan. Got into it my first generation, or in the first generation, obviously. Was a huge 90s kid, cartoonist, and my absolute favorite Pokemon, evident by the fact that I have the Squirtle Squad tattooed on my arm, is Squirtle. And by God, if the first card that I get isn't a Squirtle, I could care less if it's rare or not. Squirtle's my guy. So, let's get through here. So, we got Squirtle, Bibarel, Numel. Forgive me if I pronounce these wrong also. Ooh, Eradicate. That one looks pretty cool. Tranquil. Oh, Radiant Venusaur. There we go. All right, let's go ahead and set that one to the side. That's awesome. Oh, holographic Moltres. That one's exciting. Oh, I'm always super happy to get some first gen stuff. Oh, it takes me back to the 90s. Slowbro. Lunatone. And Ivysaur. Okay, so out of that one, the holographic Moltres and Radiant Venusaur are pretty awesome. So let's keep it going. We got 11 more packs here we can go through. All right, so let's see what's next. I wonder if I can get another Radiant. That'd be cool. And clearly I don't know how to open these things. So once again, forgive me. I will gain the experience, people, I promise. Also, I've seen it in some like unboxing videos, and I don't actually know like why people do it, but I've seen people do this thing where you like, first you take off this top card, and then like take 3, put them on the bottom. I don't know if that's like some weird trick to get to the more rare stuff or get the more basic stuff first. I don't know. Got another Slowbro. I like the art on that one. Pupitar. If anyone plays Pokemon Go, today was the Larvitar Community Day, and I only got 1 shiny, even though I played basically the whole time. Only missed like 30 minutes, so I was pretty upset about that. Though my cousin, who I was with, got a Pokestop card. Hey, speaking of Larvitar, there he is. Though my cousin got like 8 shiny whenever I was walking around with him, so he sucks. Keep it going. Apom, Spinarak, Rattata. Oh, I like those darker ones. Wimpod. Gotta love the first gen. Charmander. Ooh, holographic Snorlax. Like I said, I'm always happy for these first gens. Let's put that one over there, and then an energy card. All right, on to the next one. 2 packs down. Let's keep it going. I think I'm starting to figure out how you open these. So you flip open this back thing, and then it's weaker on that side. And you know what? That's what I get for talking shit, because clearly that didn't work. Sorry, Josh. I know that Joel's watching, and I'm not supposed to be cussing. I'll try my best. What am I doing here? What am I doing wrong? Clearly, I'm going to have to edit this part out, because I can't be letting people see my weak little hands not be able to open a freaking Pokemon card pack. All right. Let's do the little thing again, even though it didn't do me any good last time. But we'll play the game. All right, first, got another Pokestop card. Steelix. Scatu. Natu. Ampabomb. Slowpoke. Got another Larvitar. It's just rubbing it in my face that I didn't get a shiny Larvitar this morning, but that's okay. Apom. Oh, I don't know what's back there. Ooh, it's VMAX. Oh, Melmetal. This is one of the top 10. I think. I'm gonna have to look at this here in a second, but I'm pretty sure that this Melmetal was in one of the top 10 most rare cards that you can get in this pack. Oh my freaking god, that's awesome. Oh, okay, I'm gonna have to check that out. All right, then we got an energy card. Okay, keep it moving. Well, that's awesome. So I think we might have already got one in the top 10. So make sure, if you guys are watching, to like, comment, share, whatever. And anyone that's interacting with the video, as long as that thing's actually on the top 10 list, somebody's getting some free Pokemon cards. I don't know why I'm so weak. Oh, that's how you do it. Okay. I figured it out. Took me like 4 packs, guys, but I figured it out. Okay. Let's get rid of this little promo card. Do the 3. Worked for me that last time. Got me that Melmetal. I gotta play by the rules now. Actually, I think you're supposed to go from the top. I don't know. I'm doing it the way I was doing it. Woo! Charmeleon. Gotta love it. Pupitar again. Wartortle. Eevee. Numel. Got another Eradicate. Tranquil. Bulbasaur. Hey, Articuno. A nice reverse holo Articuno. I'll take it. There we go. Oh. Hollow Gyarados, and that is some awesome art. Look at that. That is real cool. Definitely like that one. That's awesome. Okay, cool. And then an energy card. Nothing super rare in that one, but that reverse hollow Articuno and that Gyarados is definitely awesome. Those are just good to have. All right, continuing through. Y'all see me? I figured it out last time. So you fold this thing over, and then you rip it to the side. It's nope, still just as stupid as I was before. That's what I get for thinking I figured life out. Every time I think I'm winning, life comes back and just smacks me in the face and says, nope, you clearly have absolutely no clue what you're doing. So that's okay. Yeah, everybody knows what I just did to open those cards, and I'm not ashamed of it. I don't care. If you know, you know. All right, put the 3 on the bottom. Let's see what we got. Camerupt. All right. Blanche. Ivysaur. Amphi-Bomb. Slowpoke. Another Larvitar. I'm getting a lot of Larvitars and Puppetars. I better get a Tyranitar up in here. Ape-Bomb. Spinarak. Another Slowbro. Reverse Hollow Slowbro. Ooh, nice. Like that. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. Hollow Lapras. I'm here for it. There we go. And an energy card. Alright, on to the next one. Let's see what we got. People, you're going to have to comment on here and tell me how to open these card packs. I know that there's a good way to do it, and I can't figure it out because I'm dumb. Oh, look at that one. That one went a lot easier than the other ones. Okay. I see an Ape-Palm on the bottom. Let's get through here. Get that little promo card out the way. Do my 3 thing, which doesn't seem to be serving me any good, so I don't know why we do this. Unpheasant. Another Camerupt. Steelix again. Got a lot of Ape-Palms. Meltan. I love this little dude. My guy. Tranquil. Another Charmander. Solrock. Got a reverse hollow Solrock. That's cool. Ooh, hollow Golisopod. I don't know how to pronounce it, but whatever. And energy card. That's what it is. You're skipping to put the energy card on the bottom. That's why we do the 3 card moving thing, whatever it is. I'm sure there's a name for whatever that's called. But okay. Alright, y'all saw it went better last time. Let's see if I can keep it moving. Nope. Whatever. I'm cheating. I don't care anymore. I'm over however this is supposed to work. Doing it my way. Alright. Let's see what we got. Candela. Lunatone. I feel like my camera's jerking around. The quality will get better, people. I promise. Larvitar. Natu. Amphi-Bomb. Slowpoke. Bibarel. Ooh. Reverse Hollow Numel. Hollow Pikachu. Hey, buddy. And energy card. Look. Rare or not, don't care. Always happy to get a holographic first gen card. It just brings back all of my wonderful 90s nostalgia. Alright. I'm never gonna figure out this card pack thing. I swear. If you watch this and all you do is laugh at me and not offer insight as to how I can open these cards better, then you're just as bad as I am for perpetuating the continued behavior. Okay. Puppetár. Another Candela, another Slowbro, another Slowpoke, another Bibarel, another Pikachu, Spinarak, Rattata, reverse hollow Magikarp. Hello. Oh, holographic Blastoise. There we go. Always happy to get those first gens. All right, we've only got a couple more. I think there's 4 more. 4 more packs. So we're almost to the end. But we've already got 1 good one, so pretty happy with that. And then I got some that I'm just super happy to add to a collection regardless of what their market value is. First gen hot. What is this? This means something. I don't know what this means. It's the last one. Clearly I'm not an expert in this, guys, but that seems good to me. Alright, Steelix, Scatu, Candela, Apom, Bulbasaur, Numel, another Eradicate, Tranquil. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So, first off, reverse holo Steelix, so gotta appreciate that. And this card behind it is making me absolutely nervous because I don't know what this is. I don't even know what type of thing this is. I'm clearly not up enough on this stuff. I researched all the rarity stuff so I could keep up with it, and I'm still lost. Oh, this wasn't even the last one. Oh, this is just another Melmetal. Melmetal V. Nice. That is awesome. Frickin' sweet. Oh. Okay. Let's see what this last thing is. Oh, this is just a V-Star thing. Regardless, the Melmetal is awesome. So that's 2 of those really awesome Melmetals that we got. All right. 3 more packs. Let's see what we got. I'm skipping. I'm trying to open cards the correct way, or whatever. I don't know if it's correct, but whatever way people normally do it. Because I don't think anybody wants to sit here while I fight opening these cards. Let's get these ones over here out of the way. All right. War Turtle. Got a rare candy. Camera up. Larvitar. Natu. Ampbomb. Slowpoke. Onyx. Nice. Ooh. Got another reverse holo Steelix. I've always loved Steelix. He's definitely a favorite. Ooh. Got another holographic card. Kuno. Sweet. And an energy card. Alright. Keep it moving. Let's see what we got in this one. I got really excited for that black card. I thought it was going to be something. It just says V-Star. Watch. There's probably people on here. They're like, you don't know how rare that thing is. And I'll be like, I don't care. All it says is V-Star. And that's okay. Alright. Get this stuff out the way. Get those 3 done. Alright. Let's see what we got. Chansey. Alright. Ivysaur. Unpheasant. Apom. Bulbasaur. Pidova. Magikarp. Meltan. Ooh! Reverse holo Bulbasaur. Nice. Oh, I see a fancy one. Slacking V. Nice. Very nice. Oh, that one's cool. All right. And then another energy card. All right, let's keep it moving. Last pack. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Got some good ones out of this. I'm actually pretty excited. This is the first time that I've ever done these Elite Trainer boxes. I'm definitely doing this stuff again. I have another one, by the way. I have the Shining Face one, so that's actually going to be the next video. All right. Get rid of that one. Also, I don't know if the camera quality is affected by the fact that my phone just started dying, which I'm definitely using to record this because I am new to this process. Forgive me. Ariados. Very cool. I like that one. Pig Incubator. Solrock. Eevee. Natu. Ampabomb. Eradicate. Larvitar. Ooh, nice. Reverse holo Zapdos. Very cool. Ooh, another Melmetal. Very cool. And then an energy card. Okay, and then the last thing in here is this little V-Star thing. Similar to the card. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. I'm going to check and see if that one card was on the top 10. If so, please like, comment, share, whatever. And I'm definitely going to be sending out a card to at least my nephew, but who knows, you might get lucky as well. So, thanks for checking the video out.